west side.
Hey Brian and Jeanette, it's Alex and Carlos here with Team Aguilar. We're out at a new listing that just came on the market today. It's not as high up on the hill as the last couple listings we looked at. It's down here in the first row, which may be a downside because we're a little closer to Villa La Valle. But we're going to go in and take a look at it. Take some video here and give you a better idea of what this home has to offer. Here's the garage. It looks like this unit has had the garage sealed off, so there's no access to the other unit of the other garage. But again, you've got a 2-car tandem garage, and the washer dryer should be inside the unit. So again, we've got both bedrooms down here on the first floor. Here's the master bedroom. I don't know if this unit's going to work being as close as we are to the road there to Villa La Valle, but it's priced at $549. A good sized walk-in closet. Basically the same setup as before. Shower. Bathroom. And we got a small closet here in the hallway. And the second bedroom. The attached bath. It's got good light up here.
Yeah, it's got a good ocean view. I think the street nose is what's gonna not make it very.
Yeah, it does have a good ocean view.
Really bright eyes and get a good shot into the sun.
Maybe hard to see the ocean over there because of the reflection of the sun, but I'll zoom in a bit. Here's the train. There it goes. We got the racetrack. Decent sized patio and deck.
Yeah, that unit that we're filming,
Yeah.
video.
Kitchen area.
No. I don't know. I haven't used it in a while. You know, it's not like
It's the dining area. So, how many square feet is this?
1336.
2 bedroom, 2.5 bath, 1336 square feet, and it's listed at 549.
549 bank property.
If you think about an ocean view in Del Mar, that's probably about the best ocean view you're gonna get for the money.
For the money, yeah.
Anyways, good sized living room. Half bath.